Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making chili mac. And the first thing we're going to do is brown our ground beef. Okay, and to our ground beef, we're going to add about a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt, about a half teaspoon of black pepper, and about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, we're going to mix and brown this. Once this is done, then we'll drain the fat from the meat. Now while the beef is browning, we're going to go ahead and make our pasta. We're going to cook that al dente. I have some water over here ready. I'm going to drop about a pound of pasta in there, some elbow macaroni. So I'm giving this a quick stir so this doesn't stick and clump together. And I'm only cooking this al dente. I'm not adding any salt or anything. Here's the ground beef. It's been drained. To this recipe, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of cumin and about a tablespoon of chili powder. Give us a stir. I'm going to add about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, so now I'm adding about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of beef broth, some fire roasted diced tomatoes, and with that I'm adding some corn. I'm adding this meat flavored pasta sauce. Give it a taste, adjust it to your liking, add some more salt, pepper, add some hot sauce to it. And this is good as is. You can add a little bit more chili powder or cumin to get a little bit more of the chili flavor if you like, a deeper chili flavor. If not, this is good like this. And like I said, add a little bit more salt and pepper if you need to. Get it right with the sauce right here before you mix it with your pasta. Okay, so here is my pasta dish. First thing I'm going to do is add the meat sauce to it. And now I'm going to add some pasta to this. Okay, now at this point, add your cheese throughout. I'm adding this on top and this throughout. This is cheddar cheese. Okay, now put this in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so here it is, chili mac. And like I said, you just put this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes because you want to get the cheese nice and melted all throughout. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and please like, subscribe, and share. And hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks.